Guys, as you may have noticed, the hype surrounding cryptocurrencies and Dogecoin is going down every single day. However, they're not dead. In fact, they're far from dead, and they're coming alive faster than you'll ever imagine, and you don't want to have FOMO and get in at the wrong time, and that's why you don't want to miss this video. I'll also be doing a technical analysis to see if Dogecoin is headed up or down, so you're going to want to stick around until the end. What's up, guys? I'm Joel, and I'm an expert at technical analysis. With 13 years experience, I call out huge plays before they even happen, and I'm very accurate, as you've seen in my previous videos. If you haven't joined my Patreon yet, it's incredibly cheap and in the top pinned comment. That's where you get my buy and sell trade alerts. As I watch the charts throughout the day, I wait for a steep dip, which is a very rare time and a very short period of time that this happens. That's when I buy. I let you guys know that I'm buying so you guys can buy in as well if you'd like. I then wait for the peak so that we've at least made 20 to 30% profits. I then put out another trade alert letting you know that I'm selling so you guys can sell as well, raking in big profits or hold with diamond hands. Also, if you haven't joined my 100 Doge giveaway yet, you're going to want to do that by subscribing, smash that like button, ring the bell, comment anything down below, and follow my socials in the top pinned comment where I'm going to be announcing one lucky winner when we hit 2,000 subscribers, which is just right around the corner. If you love Dogecoin and you know that it's headed to the moon, smash the like button. It really does help out the channel. Also, do you think Dogecoin is headed up or down? Let me know in the comments below. The volatility has decreased a bit. With hype down, this is the perfect time to get in. You want to get in at this dip, at the perfect time, and that's what I let you guys know about. With the big crash that the cryptos have experienced, you now see the cryptos trading sideways. When they trade sideways, that is a sign of stability. It's also a sign that at the end of that trading sideways, there will be a huge breakout, likely to the upside. When the AMC short squeeze situation is over, expect for a lot more people to get back into the cryptocurrency scene, because the big whales and the people that wanted a quick buck went from the cryptocurrency scene to the AMC GME scene looking for a quick buck that way. There's also a lot more false fake news out there these days to push cryptocurrencies down and suppress them, while the whales and others are headed towards the GME AMC short squeeze. When the inexperienced investors get scared, they panic sell. That's when the crash happens. That's when there is a huge dip and the perfect time to buy. And that's what we've experienced recently. You don't want to be like those inexperienced investors, those new smaller retailers that don't know what to expect and get scared when it's going down and then panic sell. You want to hold with diamond hands, and that's what I help you with. These panic sellers that got out at the wrong time are then going to have FOMO when they see the price going up again. They're then going to get in at the wrong time and get their friends to join them too. That's when there'll be more mass adoption, and it won't be as good of a time as it is right now. Expect in July another bull run to begin. If not, expect between July and August to definitely see a massive bull run, a very strong uptrend to happen for Dogecoin and other cryptocurrencies. If you look up the Google search terms, you'll see that the search volume has gone down massively for Dogecoin. What this means is, surrounding the hype for SNL, Coinbase, and other huge events, there's always a massive uptrend and a massive search volume coming into the crypto scene. It's totally normal for the hype to die down, but you're very lucky that you're still watching these videos, because that gives you the upper hand, and that gives you the upper hand to know when Dogecoin dips to the perfect price to buy. You want to put 10% of your money in at the very most each and every dip. That way it averages out and you make a lot of money in the long run. Like I always tell you guys, you want to buy the rumor and sell the news. You want to sell right before the news, right before the big day, the big event comes out. Because right when that event happens, that's when the hype dies down. You want to get out at that perfect time, that perfect peak just the day before. And that's when I'll put out my sell trade alert, and that's when you know to sell. Now guys, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. It's simply my opinion based on my experience and software. The panic selling chain reaction of the people that expect massive peaks on the day of the news are the ones that get scared and get out. That's when there becomes a huge dip, and that becomes the perfect time to get in as well. Cryptocurrencies and stock markets don't just go straight up or straight down. There's always trading sideways and volatility, and that's why it takes a lot of experience to read these charts. If you're watching this video right now, you have higher intelligence than most investors, because a lot of people don't want to watch these videos when the hype dies down, but really this is the best time to buy in, the best time to watch the charts and to wait for the trade alert. Guys, when Bitcoin goes above 42,000, expect for the rest of the cryptocurrency market to go up as well. While more countries take on Bitcoin as their legal tender, more and more businesses and whales are getting into Bitcoin. This is the perfect time to buy into Bitcoin, and especially because it's headed straight up, and because it's headed straight up, so is the rest of the cryptocurrency market. You have to remember that people like us who get in before the hype, before the news, before the rumor, are the ones that make big money, and that's what pays off big time in the long run. And guys, if you don't yet have a platform to trade on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the description below. If you deposit $100 or more using that link, you get 2 free stocks worth up to $2,000 each. You can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank, or buy cryptos with it. Jack Dorsey, the CEO of Twitter, is actually lobbying to get Ethiopian people to accept Bitcoin as their legal currency. Guys, imagine 6 months from now. Do you think that more countries will take on Bitcoin as their legal tender? Guys, inevitably this will happen. The smaller the country, oftentimes the more inflation with their dollar, with their currency. The people don't want this. The people want a coin, a currency that will increase in value over time. And that's the perfect reason to get into cryptocurrency. More countries, more businesses, more people, mass adoption. It's coming, and you want to get in before all this hype. Imagine when 50 countries or more start accepting Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. Guys, that's when cryptocurrencies will literally start to take over the earth. And by then it could very well be too late to get in. That's why so many institutions are getting into Bitcoin. That's why they're accepting cryptocurrency and allowing their investors to trade with it, because they know that Bitcoin is headed up to $100,000 to $200,000 just by the end of this year. As inflation grows and inflation goes up for the US dollar, that's when more people are starting to put their money in cryptocurrency, because they don't want their money to lose value. Dogecoin, Ethereum, it's all deflationary, and there's nothing to worry about with those. When the inflation rate continues for the US dollar, that's when more big businesses, more big whales, and more small retail investors are going to get into cryptocurrency. With so many Bitcoin miners leaving China and heading to Texas, this is intense, because with eco-friendly mining in the USA, it will now allow Tesla and other companies to start accepting Bitcoin once again. Guys, as we look at the charts with a technical analysis, we see that Dogecoin bottomed out today at just 30 cents. However, we are headed up from there. 30 cents is now our new level of resistance. Once we hit our uptrend and hit our new level of resistance at 31 cents, mark my words, we are headed up from there. And like I said, once Bitcoin breaks $42,000 just this week, expect for the rest of the cryptos to go up as well. And expect a lot of pumps next month for all crypto. And guys, if you haven't yet joined my Patreon, it's in the top pinned comment. It's incredibly cheap and invaluable. That's where you get my buy and sell trade alerts. As I watch the charts throughout the day, I wait for the steep dips. That's when I let you guys know that it's the perfect time to buy. I let you guys know that I'm buying, so you guys can buy in as well if you'd like. And then I let you guys know when I'm selling, when I watch the charts and wait for that peak. Wait for us to earn at least 20 to 30% profits. That way you guys can sell as well or hold with diamond hands. Also, if you haven't joined my 100 Doge giveaway yet, you're going to want to do that by subscribing, smash that like button, ring the bell, comment anything down below, and follow my socials in the top pinned comment, where I'm going to be announcing one lucky winner when we hit 2,000 subscribers, which is just right around the corner. Guys, thank you so much for watching my daily Dogecoin uploads, and I'll see you tomorrow.